Church bell. VASEL mission number 418. English translation part. Breaking good news. The Gospel, Luke, chapter 8, version 4 to 15. The parable of the sower is a reflection on how people receive the word of God, highlighting that not everyone hears and accepts it in the same way. With some hearts accepts it in the same way, with some hearts being like hard baths, rocky ground, or thorny soil, and others like fertile ground, producing abundant fruit. Ultimately encouraging listeners to examine their own receptiveness to God's message and strive to be fertile ground where the seed of faith can grow fully. Good land yields are the results of growing a large amount of crops or products per unit of land. Now we will see the parable shows who is the sower in Jesus in his parable. What does he expect from us? Our Creator is God. He is the creator of all things for us. He has provided for all of our needs and has provided abundantly throughout the world. He also wants everyone's action and deed we do glorify Him. Just as good soil produces good fruit, so we become worthy of His joy by living as good children who are pleasing to God the Father. Let us read the Bible, Luke chapter 8, verses 4 to 18. In the chapter, verse 4, we will start. When a great crowd gathered and people from town after town came to him, he said in a parable, a sower went out to sow his seeds, and as he sowed, some fell on the path and was trampled on, and the birds of the air ate it up. Some fell on the rock, and as it grew up, it withered for lack of moisture. Some fell among thorns, and thorns grew with it and choked it. Some fell into good soil, and when it grew, it produced 100-fold. As he said this, he called out, "Let anyone with ears to hear listen." Then his disciples asked him what this parable meant. Jesus said, "To you it has been given to know the secrets of kingdom of God, but to others I speak in parables, so that looking they may not perceive, and listening they may not understand." In verse 11, now the parable is this: the seed is the word of God. 12. The ones on the path are those who have heard, then the devil comes and takes away the word from their hearts, so that they may not believe and be saved. The ones on the rock are those who, when they hear the word, receive it with joy. But these have no root. They believe only for a while, and in a time of testing fall away. As for what fell among the thorns, these are the ones who hear, but as they go on their way, they are choked by the cares and riches and the pleasures of life, and their fruit does not mature. But as for that, in the good soil, these are the ones who, when they hear the word, hold it fast in an honest and good heart and bear fruit with patient endurance. No one, after lighting a lamp, hides it under a jar or puts it under a bed, but puts it on a lampstand so that those who enter may see the light. For nothing is hidden that will not be disclosed, nor is anything secret that will not become known and come to light. Then pay attention to how you listen, for to those who have, more will be given, and from those who do not have, even what they seem to have will be taken away. This part of the passage is given in the description side. You just take it print. Yeah, if you like this translation part, you give the subscription and give the comment and try to share to others. This will help you to understand many things as Jesus preached as a teaching to the people. Thank you.